Have you ever wondered what car gadgets would best suit your vehicle? In this video, we are exploring best car gadgets available on Amazon that cover everything from essential safety tools and organizers to stylish accessories that will turn heads. Whether you want to boost your vehicle's safety, keep it clean and organized, or add a touch of glam, I have got you covered. Stick around to discover the 20 best car gadgets that will transform your driving experience. 1. Head-up display. The head-up display allows you to have all important details like your speed and navigation right in front of you, projected directly onto your windshield. No more glancing down at your phone or dashboard. This smart gadget connects to your smartphone and puts everything you need right in your line of sight. It is like having a personal assistant in your car, making sure you stay focused on the road without missing a beat. This is not just cool, it is a game changer for driving safely. 2. 4K dashcam. This handy little gadget records everything happening while you're on the road. It captures every detail in crystal clear 4K resolution. Whether it is an unexpected moment or something important for insurance, this device has got you covered. And guess what? Many models even come with night vision, so you get sharp, clear footage even in the dark. It is like having a trusty co-pilot watching your back 24/7. This is an absolute must-have for every driver. 3. Car signal booster. If you have ever had trouble getting a phone signal while driving, a car signal booster is a must-have. This gadget makes your phone's signal stronger, so you can stay connected even in remote or hard-to-reach areas. It has an antenna that helps catch weak signals, so you would not lose calls or GPS directions while you are driving on the road. You can find this device available on Amazon to make your road trips more smoother and enjoyable. 4. Car dryer. After washing your car, do you want it to look its absolute best? That is where the need for a car dryer comes in. This awesome gadget is also available on Amazon, which can help you dry your car super fast with a strong airflow. It has different nozzles so you can reach every little corner, making sure your car is shiny and free of water spots. It is like having a giant blow dryer just for your car. If you wash your car yourself, this tool makes the drying process more easy and gives your vehicle a perfect finish every time. 5. Portable car vacuum. Keeping your car clean is important. These small yet powerful vacuums are great for picking up crumbs, dirt, and pet hair from your car's seats and floors. It comes with different attachments, so you can easily reach tight spots and corners. This makes cleaning your car quick and easy, helping you keep it looking fresh and tidy without any hassle. 6. Auto phone charger. An auto phone charger is a must-have gadget for keeping your devices powered up on the road. Look for one with multiple USB ports and fast charging capabilities on Amazon to quickly charge up your smartphone, tablet, or other electronics. 7. Car trash can with a lid. A car trash can with a lid is a great way to keep your vehicle clean and organized. It gives you a specific spot to put your trash, so you don't end up with garbage scattered around. The lid on the trash can helps keep odors and spills contained, ensuring your car stays fresh and tidy. 8. Backup camera. If your car does not have a built-in backup camera, consider getting one. A backup camera with screen helps you park and avoid obstacles while reversing. It provides a clear view of what is behind you, even when you can't see over the hood or when there are obstructions in your rearview mirror. A backup camera can significantly enhance your safety and peace of mind, making driving a less stressful and more enjoyable experience. 9. LED wheel lights. Want to add some glam to your ride? LED wheel lights are a fun way to customize your car. These lights come in various colors and can even sync with your music, creating a party atmosphere while you drive at night. They are sure to turn heads and can easily be purchased on Amazon. 10. Car seat gap filler. A car seat gap filler prevents items from falling on the floor of the car. It is a simple yet effective way to keep your phone, keys, and other small objects from getting lost. There are car seat gap filler organizers available on Amazon that also function as organizers to keep your belongings in place. 11. Emergency escape tool. Safety should always come first, and an emergency escape tool is a compact gadget that could save your life. It can break windows and cut seat belts in case of an emergency. It is small enough to keep in your glove compartment, but it is a crucial tool available on Amazon to have just in case. 12. Car cup holder expander. If you struggle with cup holders that are too small, a car cup holder expander is the solution. This gadget allows you to fit larger cups and bottles and prevent spills while you drive. It is a simple yet effective upgrade for any car. So now, even if you drive fast or have bigger cups, don't worry and grab this from Amazon now. 13. Trunk organizer. A trunk organizer is perfect for keeping your trunk tidy. You can store groceries, sports gear, or any other items securely in it and prevent them from rolling around while you drive. It keeps everything in its place and helps prevent messes, making it easier to find what you need. So now, if going on a picnic or a road trip, this will be your favorite thing. 14. Car air purifier. This gadget removes odors and allergens from the air in your vehicle, creating a fresher environment. It is especially beneficial for those with allergies or sensitivities. Many models are compact and can be plugged into your car's USB port. 15. Mobile phone holder. A mobile phone holder securely mounts your device on your dashboard or windshield, allowing you to use GPS navigation or take hands-free calls while driving. There are a variety of adjustable models on Amazon that fit a variety of phone sizes. 16. Solar-powered tire pressure monitoring system. A solar-powered TPMS monitors your tire pressure and temperature, alerting you to any issues. It's a convenient way to ensure your tires are in good condition, which can improve fuel efficiency and safety. You can gather this while going on a long trip to ensure your tires are at their best to prevent issues while traveling. 17. Car hook. A car hook is a useful gadget designed to hang bags, coats, or other items in your vehicle and help to keep your car organized. It is typically attached to the headrest or the back of the seat. They prevent items from rolling around or falling on the floor and are easy to install. They are a simple yet effective solution to enhance your car's storage capacity. 18. Car desk. A car desk turns your vehicle into a mobile office by attaching to the passenger seat or steering wheel. It gives you a steady surface to use your laptop, hold documents, or eating purposes. Many car desks are available on Amazon, which have storage compartments and designs that make working and eating comfortably and staying organized easier. 19. Echo Auto. Imagine having Alexa in your car. The Amazon Echo Auto brings voice control to your vehicle. You can ask Alexa to play music, provide directions, or even control smart devices at home while you are on the road. It is a fantastic way to stay connected and entertained. 20. Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit. Lifeline Premium Kit is an essential toolkit for any driver. It includes jumper cables, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and more. Having this kit in your trunk can give you peace of mind during long trips. This concludes the top 20 car gadgets you should consider adding to your vehicle. Each of these gadgets offers something unique to enhance your driving experience, whether it is for a safety measure, convenience, or just a bit of fun. Which gadget did you like the most and will you purchase next? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.